All right, I'm out here walking the city streets of Seattle, and you can see some stuff behind me, courtyard, whatever. Got to thinking about media as it relates to software and how you distribute content. So here's the thing, right? What do humans interact with? Take a look at the time you spend on your phone throughout the day, or your computer, or your television. Guaranteed almost all of that time is spent consuming media. Text through emails, through Twitter, you're watching movies, you're watching television, that's media. You're listening to a podcast, that's media. You're talking to someone else on a Zoom call, that's media. You're texting people, that's media. Literally almost everything you interact with in life, including face-to-face interactions with people, media. So why are people spending time doing other things, trying to grow their business, and not spending time creating media specific to your philosophies, your brand, your expertise? It just honestly doesn't make a lot of sense. And here's the other thing, right? Like, everyone has lumped into tech and software as the big thing that's supposed to happen these days. But how many people can read lines of code? Engineers, tens of thousands, maybe 100,000. Compared to 8 billion people on the planet. But how many people can consume media? All 8 billion, right? And the other thing about media that I'm pretty passionate about is just accessibility. Not everybody can see, not everybody can hear. Everybody learns differently. So if you're creating content, you're creating media, you can't just do it in one format. You can't just do it in text and send an email newsletter. You can't just do it in an image and send that on the internet. It's invisible to people who can't see. You can't just do it in a movie, right? You need every single media format, including the stories format, right? That's how human beings understand, interpret, and make decisions in the world, is the fundamental driver of human behavior. So, what does this all mean? Basically what it means is you need to invest in media like your life depended on it, because it's a land war that's just going to keep happening. And the kings and queens of the internet, sure, they might own a social network, but he and she and they who own the content and the media win, right? What are all the social networks working on now? Creators. Okay, that's it. Have a good one.